Let's learn how to get frame on TikTok profile picture. I'm sure you've been getting TikToks lately about Taylor Swift frame, and maybe you want to have exactly that frame and be cool, so let's stay till the end and learn how to get it. First thing you need to do is to check is your TikTok app updated, so open your App Store or Google Play Store if you have Android device, and then go on search bar and type TikTok. You can see my TikTok app is not updated, so if you also have that, tap on it and wait a couple of minutes to that process be finished. On that way, you are download all new update like is this frame of Taylor Swift. When you update the app, go to open it and make sure you are logged into your account on which you want to get the frame. You can see when I come on my profile that I don't have Taylor Swift frame yet, so let's get it. On search bar on TikTok, you need to type Taylor Swift and go on she's profile. You can see she's have frame on profile picture. On that frame is written Dear the Tortured Poets Department. Next step you need to do is to click on she's profile picture, and that will send you on next menu on which you share she's profile, but we don't need that. We need to click on get frame option in central of the screen. Now you are coming on this menu on which you need to complete all the challenges below to unlock an exclusive, limited time only, the Tortured Poets Department profile frame. First challenge is to follow Taylor Swift account. You can do that by tapping on this white button where is written follow. That is also a second step, but the third step is to save Fortnite song on your favorite in music app. And the fourth and last step is to record and post video with Taylor Swift hashtag. That hashtag TikTok automatically add when you open camera from Taylor Swift menu, and when you post a video, you will get Taylor Swift frame, but keep in mind this frame have limited time. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video.